Hey everyone, want to quickly transfer products from another store to your Wix store? Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, log into your Wix account and open your store dashboard. Make sure your online store is set up and ready to receive new products. Go to the Store Products section. Here, look for the Import option, which allows you to bring in products from other platforms. If your other store supports CSV export, download the product list from there. Then click Upload CSV in Wix. Map the fields like titles, descriptions, and prices, and hit Import. Using a different platform, connect it via Wix's third-party integrations like Shopify to sync your product inventory seamlessly. Once the import is complete, double-check your product listings, edit any details, images, or pricing as needed. And that's it. Your products are now live on your Wix store, ready to sell. Like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching.